So this is a Playskool Kota Dinosaur that had the saggy neck issue. I watched a few videos on YouTube and they explained that there's a problem with the springs in the neck and the little axle that holds the neck to the body. But it was quite unclear how that goes together and why it fails. So after repairing this one, I thought I'd do a quick video and try to explain to people what happens. So in the neck, from this side of the dinosaur, there's a bar that goes through the head, through the neck, and out the other side. And inside that bar, there are two springs. From the other side, there's a screw covering the hole, so you can't access it from that side. But what happens is the bar, basically just behind, I call it the ear, this bit here, just behind there, is the pivot, the hinge. So if I can show you. So if I look up behind the ear, see up there, that you can sort of see light, and I've had to cut the plastic ever so slightly. That's where the pivot goes. So it's probably about that far up this bit, and it goes all the way through the neck and out the other side. And it's a bar that's about 6 to 8 centimeters long. And what you'll find is it's either hanging out of the side of yours here, hanging out the side of the head, and you might feel it from behind here, behind the ear as I call it. You might feel the bar, it's poking out. Or it might be flopping around in the neck here somewhere, or clanging around inside. So what you have to do is you have to reattach the head to the body by pushing it back on, and then up there, you see that plastic? I've had to cut that. There was just a hole there, and the bar goes through the hole. But the problem is when it's all assembled, you can't push the bar back in straight. So what I've done is I've cut the plastic up there, which has allowed me to force the bar back in. So I'll see if I can put this inside and show you what's going on. Let me go up a bit higher. Oh no, not going to work. Can I focus? So yeah, basically behind that hole, there's a bar that goes all the way through, and it passes through two springs. So when you see it from underneath, if I lift the head up, you can probably see inside. You can get some sort of visibility of the springs in there. But when you look at yours, you just need to know that that bar needs to be pushed back through the neck, all the way in, and they'll hold it back on, and then you'll get a springy head once more. I hope this helps someone.